Hey guys, Glenn, ExHale Homegrown CO2. I'm here today to explain the date codes for our bags. All of our bags get dated. We have a big quality control program here at ExHale that ensures that every bag is quality checked 4 or 5 times before it leaves our facility. That guarantees all you gardeners out there that you're getting a quality product. We do get a lot of questions and emails about the date on the back of these bags, so I'm going to try to explain that to you right now. The original bag and the ExHale bag are meant for the end user to get 6 months worth of CO2. Now, we've got to distribute this product. We've got to move it around. We send these things all over the world. So how do we know that you're going to get that 6 months worth? We predate these bags at least 2.5 months, not more than 3. If we're going overseas, we might add a couple weeks just for shipping times. We've done tests. We know how the flow out of these bags works. So on this original bag, let's take a look at this date code. It's January 2nd of next year. This is April of 2016. So what we have here is about 8.5 months. So that end user is going to get 6 months. That's the last 6 months from this date. The distributor in the store and the trucking company, when it leaves here, 2.5 months to make it through those distribution channels to you, the end user. So when you're out looking for a bag to buy at your grow shop, look down here and make sure that that date is at least 6 months in the future. If not, you need to talk to your grow shop manager, make sure they're getting fresh product, and if not, you can make a decision. If the bag's just a few weeks, short, not a big deal. These bags are going to produce a little longer, but for your satisfaction, we put this date on the bag so that you know, the end user, the gardener, you're going to get 6 months worth. That works exactly the same way with this ExHale bag. The same date, we go 8.5 months. You can see this. The last digit on our date is actually an employee code here at our farm. So if there's anything wrong with this particular bag, Craig, our operations manager, can track down the individual that last saw this bag before it left our facility. Rarely happens, but if it does, we make sure that's any problem it's solved, so we don't have any worries. The micro, since it's so small, we can only offer 3 months of CO2 for your clone dome. We give 1 month for distribution and the store to sell it. So these have to move quite quickly. And that's really why you don't see a whole lot of these in stores. They're more of a special order item. If you're interested, contact your store, have them contact us, and we'll get you some of these guys. With the 365 now, this date, and this is our spawn pod up here, so you're going to inoculate this one on your own. We have to look at the viability of this spawn pod. How long is it going to last before you need to use it? Well, we've calculated 4 months. We want the store to have about 3 months on the shelf. And then you as the end user gets 9 months of CO2. That's 12 months, hence the term 365. We date these 4 months, which gives the distributor about a month to get it to the store. The store then has about 3 months to sell it to you, and then you need to activate it by this date. That's the difference between these dates on these bags. This one is an activate by date on the 365. While on all of these others, including the micro, this is a replace by date. It's when you need to go back to the store and get a fresh bag to ensure that your garden's getting the CO2 that you're needing. So if you have any other questions, go to our website, it's exhaleco2bags.com, drop us an email, and thanks for using ExHale.